Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Vasimullah and welcome to my channel, that is Vasimullah Graphics and Architectural Designer. In this tutorial of 3dsmax I will show you how to model a jug or how to design a jug. So do subscribe my channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to get latest videos notification. So without wasting any time, let's jump into 3dsmax. Take a cylinder, change its color to purple. On the edges faces, from here you can maximize it. Click on this button to the corner of the software 3dsmax downside. You can maximize it and minimize it. Make it a little thicker. This much is enough. Increase its height segment 7. Now make it edit poly. Apply edit poly modifier. Select the vertex. Select the edge. In edit poly, select the edge. Go to the edge level, and from here select with select and move tool. This one, select and move tool. Select the edge, and now extrude it. Now come to the minimize the perspective view. Now come to the front view. Now come to the line parameters. In line, drag a line. Make sure that you have on the snapping with S key. Now extrude it. Now what I'm going to do, drag into the top viewport, top side, drag into the top side. Now select the jug, go to the polygon level and edit poly. Select the polygon and delete it. Now on the faces, now you can see it's a jug. Let me drag it that cover to the top side. Now apply shell modifier to have increased thickness, to give thickness. Make it to 0. in case it's shell modifier. This much is enough thickness, as you can see it. Now this is the cap, changes its color. Now from here, now drag a box. Let me drag it into this left viewport. Select that box and make it to the front. Now rotate it. Now select the object, go to the boolean compound objects, select boolean and subtract this. Let me check it out. Let me check it at this level. Now select the cap, go to the boolean, add in compound objects, boolean, add operand, and this time subtract, as I want hole over here for the water. Now apply added poly modifier, delete the down cap.